friends, welcome to Christy's Adventures. Hopefully you can hear me with this crazy wind. We're all set up. We are getting a dinner going. Fed the doggies their dinner, and now it's time for us to eat. Definitely not having a campfire with all this dry brush everywhere. Definitely not a fan of this place, but it was the only place we could find that was not a parking lot. So that was good. But tomorrow we're gonna go on some fun adventures. Cannot wait. Going kayaking and then probably heading somewhere else. Super perfect and amazing and beautiful. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Maybe ride our bikes around there? I don't know. It is free. It's just a little, I don't know. It's just not my thing. I like trees and there's dry bushes. The guys are cooking. See how dinner comes out. We're having hamburgers. And of course, there's going to be some awesome videos. And we're probably going to be heading to the Tetons after this. So, hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss an update. Bye, guys. We got our camp set for the night. Doggies ate their dun-duns. We're getting our dun-dun. And we got a little artist. Yeah, I think so.
We're gonna have to pull
Stop.
Ready? Just let go.
Hey friends, we are back at the falls. Oh, the sun is like right in my face. Cannot wait for you guys to see it. No.
This time I'm up there. Last time I could not get up here.
Come on, let's go get closer to the falls.
Oh, you can get closer?
Yeah.
This feels better. I see hats down there again. Just like,
Isn't this gorgeous?
this is where we start kayaking.
Niagara Falls. It's known as the Niagara Falls. Beautiful. I hope you guys are glad that we made it back to see the falls. Isn't that gorgeous? I told you, it was so beautiful. I'm like so scared of my camera falling so very close to the drop. Scary. Wow. Gorgeous.
$20 for you to jump in. But in the water?
So it just starts out right there. Oh, I cannot wait to see the real Niagara Falls. And there's another little fall. I think a bug just landed on my camera. Oh. Oh, there's people way up there.
Hi.
I was like zoomed in. Oh my gosh, that was so funny. Careful your phone. Oh. Doesn't matter how many times we've been here. I just love it so much. Yeah, I'm gonna pop it back on. Oh, can't get enough of this. What house? Alexia, no. Okay, I am doing this for you guys. I cannot stand looking down. How cool that looks.
Go first.
Sidewalk?
No. You want to see me do it first?
Yeah.
You don't want to do it, Alexia, at the same time?
But after him.
Go, Alexia! Go, Alexia!
Big car. Oh, look at the tall car.
Yeah. Okay, go. Oh, you're going toward a tree. He's watching her. Hi, babe. Did you get too dizzy?
Oh, shit.
Get him! He's getting too dizzy. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I just felt a raindrop. He made it. I ain't doing that. They are gonna spin in circles and run up this hill as fast as they can. Alan, you gonna do it? There's definitely some storm clouds coming in. You guys should spin. Yeah, like that. See what Alexia's doing, Code? Do that.
Okay, try to run up the hill, right?
Alexia spun more than you.
Okay, Alexa, let's roll down the hill and run up.
Okay.
Come out.
Oh, look at that sexy beast. Woo! See what they're doing. I don't know what they're planning. Oh, I'm gonna laugh if he goes over those holes. Oh, they hit their heads. Oh. Ouch. Oh. Want your money? Check out that sunset.
Can I ride your shoulder?
Wow, it's so orange. Big brother. I just can't. You guys. It's so gorgeous. Literally came here in the perfect
You
time.
know what Dad just said? Don't
What?
drop it, and he's like, it's worth me more.
Oh, meanie dad. Look at that beautiful thing. Cody has no idea.